Okay, in this problem we want to find the perimeter and the area of the rectangle to the right here. So for perimeter, yes, that's 2 times the width plus 2 times the length. So the length here is root 16, so it's going to be double, we don't need a parenthesis, 2 times the square root of 16 plus 2 times 2 root 54. And we want to try to simplify that expression. So I need to simplify both root 16 and root 54. So I'm going to do that off to the side here. So 216, I can divide that by 2 and I get 108. That's divisible by 2 to get 54. Divided by 2 is 27. Divided by 3 is 9. Divided by 3 is 3. So let's see, I'm looking for pairs. There's 2 2's I can pull up front. Here's 2 3's I can pull up front. And then 1 2 and 1 3 have to stay under the radical. So root 16 becomes 2 times 3 times the square root of this 2 and that 3, or 6. And I could have just put 6 there too, that's fine. Okay, here I'm going to multiply this 2 times 2 to get 4. Do this. That 2 and that 2 equal that 4. Now for root 54, let's do that over here. Actually, I really just already did it, but I'll go ahead and rewrite it. 54 divided by 2 is 27, divided by 3 is 9, divided by 3 is 3. So I've got a pair of 3's that can come out front, and 1 2 and 1 3 stay under. So the 3 that comes out front is there, and then this 2 and this 3 stay under, so that becomes a 6. So simplifying, we have 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12 root 6, plus 12 root 6. So since they both have root 6, we can add the coefficients, 12 and 12, and we get 24 root 6 for the perimeter. Now for the area, we want to multiply length times width. So that would be root 216 times 2 times root 54. There's a couple ways you could do this. I'm going to go ahead and plug in their simplified values just so that we don't end up with such a huge number under the radical. So root 16, I'm going to go ahead and replace that by what we just figured out over here, which was 2 times 2, or 6, root 6, and then times that 2, and then 54 we just figured out was 3 root 6. So let's multiply the whole numbers together, and we'll multiply the radicals together. So 6 times that 6 is 36 out front, and then square root of 6 times square root of 6 is the square root of 36, which is 6. So you get 36 times 6, whatever that number is.